Oh my god, I'm very, very happy. Let me cry. I am very, very hungry, and guess what? I am live here on the street of Nairobi. I'm very hungry, you already know. I'm from India, but I cannot do this alone. I'm here with
Majorboy, the member kangaroo. And today, guys, we're so hungry. We're gonna ask random people to cook for us on the street.
Yes, brother. Are you hungry? No hungry.
I'm very hungry, and what do you have to do there? Just ask any random person to cook for us.
Let them cook for us now.
Will you cook for me, please? I'm begging you, please cook for
Me to cook
me.
for you? Are you mad? Are you mad? Get up.
Sorry.
Let's get it.
Guys, we are going to go now and come on. Let's go. My name is Arjun. I'm from India. Oh, very, very hungry.
I haven't eaten for like 2 days. Can you cook for me?
You cook.
And you guys cook for us?
No.
No? Night? Hi, excuse me. I'm looking for somebody that can cook for me on the street tonight. Are you able to cook?
Okay, can I talk to you for 1 minute? Okay, the problem now is my name is Arjun. I'm from India. This is my brother Majorboy
I'm from South Sudan.
from South Sudan. We are very hungry and we want someone to cook for us. Are you going to cook?
Not now.
I'm begging you, please cook for me, please. I'm begging you.
Come on.
Not now.
We didn't eat for 2 days.
Yes.
We didn't eat for 2 days. Can you cook for us?
Yes, but not here, but not now.
When?
What can you cook?
Tomorrow.
God have mercy upon us.
He said he can cook for us tomorrow.
We are very hungry. This me, my brother, we very hungry. Are you going to cook for us?
Cook for you?
Yes.
Cook for us anything.
Food, like we want to eat. Very hungry. You hungry. Hungry. All of us hungry.
You.
What?
What are you saying?
You, like, brother, help me talk to her.
He's saying we're hungry. We didn't eat for 2 days. Can you cook for us?
What are you telling?
Huh?
This is a mic. There's a
There's a
mic.
mic. We're just asking random people if they can cook for us. I didn't eat for 2 days.
Are you doing something?
Yes, we are YouTubers.
And I'm from America.
YouTubers.
We're
I wonder how many times my friend is going to change location.
Hi, excuse me.
Hello.
What's your
How
name?
are you? Very pretty
You're so
lady.
cute.
I'm from India. We are very hungry and we want to look for someone to cook for us. Can you cook for us?
Cook.
Cook, yeah. So
Right
like,
now?
yeah,
Yes.
I've spent 2 days without eating.
Sorry.
What?
No, like you.
So it's
You-
like, yeah. Hold on, he's from India. He came like 2 days ago, and I came from South Sudan. But we haven't eaten for like 2 days, and we just love to ask anybody that can cook for us right now.
Okay, like, where do you expect me to cook for you guys right
Anything
now?
that you can cook right
Whatever
now.
you.
Now.
Yeah.
Yes,
Where
we
exactly?
both we live in
Like in our
Kilmani,
apartment.
we just go now. You buy whatever you're
I
going to use.
just got hope.
From home. Don't worry, we can use Bora to go. Like, we can go do the shopping, and then you can come.
Money
Yeah.
Yes.
right now.
Yeah.
Or if you're scared, because use a car too. No problem.
I just came here, but I didn't eat for 2 days. Are you able to cook for me? You can't cook for me?
Please, we are very hungry. We
We
are
didn't eat for
starving.
2 days.
Please, I'm begging you.
No?
You're not going to help a brother?
Just cook.
Don't stay around.
You
No
don't stay
problem.
around.
We take you where we stay.
No, we can get like a transport and then you can cook for us. If that's okay.
If you're not careful, we are going to die of hunger now. You
Bro,
see?
now let's just be serious, more like of help.
Okay, now let's be very.
Get all people in it, you know?
Okay. Let's
Let me
go
ask you
now.
so. Hi, excuse me, bro. I just came from South Sudan, yeah? Is she a lady? Hi, excuse me. She's gone. So I just came from South Sudan, yeah? But then like I see like you got a girl there, right? I haven't eaten for 2 days. Like I did not eat for 2
We are very
days.
hungry.
Would you mind if your lady cook for me?
Okay, first of all, she's not my lady. She's a friend. And if she wanna cook,
Okay, don't
Can
worry.
we go ask her?
What a woman can do, a man can do better. Okay, are you going to cook?
yeah, I can cook. I'm a good cook.
No. Me, I want the lady to cook for me because men sometimes
You
they
want
don't
me
put
to die
salt.
of hunger? What is
You want a man to cook for you? Are you gay? Are you gay?
Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, let's
Let's go ask her.
If she not cook for us, maybe you cook for us. Okay.
No, let's see. Let's
Perfect,
ask.
that's
Only if she's okay on camera. I don't know.
Me, I only like girls to cook for me in my country.
We are actually
It's
big
very
YouTubers.
illegal.
We are very
So-
big YouTubers. We have over 6 million followers. Alright, so we just look for somebody to cook for us. That is all.
Like, I'm very hungry. I didn't eat for 2 days. Would you love to cook for me?
I cook for you?
Yeah, like tonight.
Let me tell you, okay, what the problem is like me, my brother, very, very hungry. I from India, come Kenya now, very
But you
crazy.
can just have food there.
No.
No, I not.
No. Point at them straight, hey.
What the?
You need the
I
erection.
from India, my brother from
Hi.
Sudan.
What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashi, you so pretty.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Are you single?
Yes.
Oh my
Single.
God. Very good. Okay, so the problem is like, can we close the shop? You come and cook for us in very
So it's like we didn't eat for 2 days. I came from Dubai.
What is wrong with this, brother? How you come from Dubai again? How many places you come from?
This is my friend from India. But then like we're trying to eat something, yeah. But I don't trust the street food and restaurants, you know. Because one of my friends got poisoned last time. So I'm asking, would you be able to cook for us
Yeah.
tonight?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Not right now.
When?
Why not?
You're off? Off?
Number for more.
Oh,
When are you going to be off from work?
7.
7.
I might
All
die
right.
before.
How much do they pay you a day?
1,000.
1,000. So if I pay you 5,000 right now,
Will you close the shop?
close the shop and you come cook for us? Like right now?
10,000.
Huh?
10.
What? 10,000. How much is that?
You sell, but they pay you 1,000, right? Now we want to give you 5,000.
You wanna-
5,000. It's not it's not. It won't be a long time.
How many hours are you going to cook?
That is too much. Man.
Only 1 hour.
Maybe tomorrow. So 10,000. Even I can't afford 10,000.
Brother,
You know? Hi, excuse me, my sisters. I'm from South Sudan, yeah? Today we're just asking. I haven't eaten for 2 days.
No, it's because I have something that I actually came to do right now.
what is that? You mind me asking?
No, I have packages to deliver.
All right. How about if we get something here and you're able to cook within the city? Is that okay?
Where am I going to cook?
1 minute. How far is the place you're going to do your delivery?
About an hour.
Oh my God.
All right. Can we wait for you for 1 hour and then we go to Kilimani and you cook for us? You don't know?
Yeah.
So you don't feel like cooking? Like
No, I can. It's just that I had other plans.
other
All right,
plans.
guys.
We're looking for more people.
No,
And we have here our Gia, you know? She's our brother.
I'm one of them. One of the guys.
Huh?
I'm one of them.
She's a lady boy.
Yes.
Can you cook for us?
I don't understand what you mean to cook for you.
God have mercy upon us.
Can you cook?
Cook food?
Yes, food.
I can cook food.
What can you
kind
cook
of
for
food
us?
can you cook?
Any kind of food I can cook.
Can you cook for us now?
Where are the cooking utensils?
We can go and bring
We
them.
go and buy it now. And
Everything
we cook.
and you cook
That's okay.
But we live a bit far away from here. Are you going to come?
Where?
to our area.
Kiliman.
Yes.
That's not far.
You know, what are you going to cook for us?
Ara is within town, so no problem. I can go and cook you whatever you want to feed.
I want kisira and combo.
You want?
Kisira and combo.
No problem. I will do it.
Sorry? What's your name? Nana. All right, I'm from South Sudan, yeah? I came to Kenya 2 days ago, and I'm really very starving. I haven't eaten for like 2 days. Will you be able to cook for me tonight?
Maybe.
And I'd love somebody to cook for me tonight. Will you guys be able to do that?
Why no?
Why now? You have to give a reason because we're starving and we want
By
to
the
eat.
way, you're very, very beautiful. I like it.
Both of you are crazy, you know.
What is your name? What?
Valentine. Huh?
Valerie.
Valerie.
Oh, I like it.
Eaten for 2 days. So I was asking, I'm requesting you, are you able to cook for me today? If you can. Can you cook for me today?
I can't cook at all.
You can't cook.
What? Like you don't want to cook or you cannot cook?
Can't.
You can't cook.
Oh, really?
Oh,
I don't know how to.
You don't know how to cook.
Okay, don't worry. Very easy. Okay, I download like YouTube video. We watch together. We cook together. Me too not know how to cook.
What do you think? Like I'm very hungry. I want to
Okay,
eat.
you want me? Okay, right. Anything for you. Please, I'm begging you. Cook for me. I'm begging you, please. Oh my God, very pretty lady. Cook for me, okay?
I don't know how to cook it right.
You don't, for sure.
I don't.
Can you swear?
I said I don't know how to.
At this point, we've actually tried to convince a lot of people to cook for us. Nobody offered to cook for us and we're very tired now. So we saw this woman selling peanut butter roadside. What happened at the ad is going to shock you.
One? Like I just came from South Sudan, but I didn't eat for like 2 days. Would you be able to give me one for free?
One for tasting of.
No. Like if you can just give me this cup for free.
Just help your brother.
Just
please.
help. Because I didn't eat for 2 days. Maybe next time I'll help you.
Me, I've not been at work for 2 days also. I've just.
But yeah, God will bless you. Just try to help.
God will bless you. You will make it in life. Everything you want, you will
Just
get
try
it.
to help. Next time, you don't know. It can be my turn.
Will you help
Okay,
us?
give me this small one. Just
Okay,
small
only
one.
this one.
Only simple.
No, just help us.
Just help.
I'm begging
But
you.
you know, Mama, next time we're gonna help you.
Next time, maybe in the future, I give you money, marry your daughter.
Yeah, you don't know.
whatever, you know. You never did
Just
that.
that small one will help. Please, please.
You help us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Oh my
I
God.
really appreciate you.
After a lot of convincing, the woman finally helped us with the granite as well. And we were so happy. She's not expecting what is coming.
Oh my God.
You are so great. Like I didn't expect you to do
Like
that
it.
for me. I see you like my mother now.
Oh my God.
Oh, for free?
For free?
Yeah.
For free?
Super.
Oh.
Just give you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I
I'm
really
so proud of you,
appreciate
Mama. How much is this?
Table.
50.
If I sell, it's 50.
50 shillings.
50 shillings.
And you give me for free. God bless you. I'm so hungry, bro.
Oh, thank you very much.
Your business will go more. I believe you will make it.
Oh my God.
I'm so hungry, bro. You want some?
Guys, come and buy granite here. Only here. Buy your granite. Granite here.
Guys, come and buy for Mama.
Peanut here. Peanut. 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 Very sweet. Okay.
Now, Arjun, come back. Mama,
Yeah.
for being so loyal, yeah? I'm not from here. I'm from abroad. We just do YouTube videos and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You give us this for free, right?
Yeah.
And I say God is gonna bless you. He's gonna bless your business. All right? Now I'm gonna give you 2,000 to bless your business.
Amen.
I'm gonna give you 2,000 and just keep being nice because you don't know you helped me today. Tomorrow will be your time, you know? Because you don't know who you help.
So, Mama, what do you have to say?
How much is all this together?
This one.
I want you. All of this one down now. I want to buy all of them.
I want to buy everything.
Everything. How much is it?
I think it's almost 700.
700. Can you put them all now in the thing and I buy them?
Yes. Now you close market for the day. Very
Market is
fast.
done.
Okay.
My name is Arjun. I'm from India.
South Sudanese.
Yes, I'm from India. Him from South Sudan.
India.
Yes.
But for you being so nice,
Yes.
that's why we're trying to help you, support your business,
Yes.
and always try to help people like that. We'll see you like our mother. And God is going to bless your business again.
Yes.
We're going to buy everything here. And we're going to
Okay.
give random people on the
So,
street.
Mama, what do
I still have more. Will you buy?
Don't worry.
so, Mama, what do you have to say to the camera?
I'm very happy. Sijui nisemaje, ni God tu, because hata siuzi yangi hapa ndio nimeka mtu na nikajieka hapa.
What does that?
Shukuru Mungu sana. I thank God.
Yeah, she's not always here. Guys, today she's blessed. We asked her randomly that we're hungry and she gave us free groundnuts. And now today we're here to support her business and we're going to buy everything from her because she's our mother, you know? All right.
When I
Put
tell
down.
you, say my
Can you
name,
put it
you
down?
say Majorboy.
Free
Okay? My
groundnuts,
name is
we give
Arjun,
them.
by the way. So, guys, I want to tell you this
Hey,
for the
brother,
last time.
you want
Be
free
very
groundnuts?
nice and very
You know
nice.
what?
Hello. Thank you very much.
We were able to buy all the granite and started distributing it to people and fans around. People who needed it actually got it, and people who were actually hungry also got a granite as well too. This was very fun, emotional, and I was actually happy doing this.
Hey, bro.
Thank you so much.
What's your name, brother?
Picasso.
Huh?
Picasso.
Picasso. Pick one. Pick them. What's your name?
My name's Chino Kid.
Shino?
Kid.
Shino Kid. And you?
Ainea Jore.
Huh?
Ainea.
Anya Jore. Okay, get
Okay,
free
everybody
groundnuts.
say hi to the camera. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You want some groundnuts? What's your name?
Moses.
Moses? All right, have some.
You want here? You can. No
Yes.
problem.
Yes. Can you say hi to the camera? What can you say to the camera?
Nothing. Just like, subscribe, and follow.
Yes, let's get it.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My bro.
Yankee Moya.
Kimaya?
Yankee Moya.
Yankee Maya.
Yeah.
All right, get yourself some there. What's your name, brother?
Morris.
Morris.
Yeah.
Oh, I like your name.
Hi.
Can you say hi to the camera?
Hi. Thank
Nana,
you
look at the
very
camera.
much. God bless you.
And God bless you too.
thank you very
much.
Keep going.
Major, me too. I want granite you buy for me.
Oh, I forgot. Okay, Mama, give him one. He's hungry. Give him one. Small one.
You
Okay. Big. Give him big. Yeah. All right. More people remaining one. One person to get the granites. You don't want? Why are you running?
Very interesting.
It's done now.
Very
Business
good.
supported.
You can see business sold out. We sold out everything exactly.
In less than 5 minutes.
In less than 5 minutes. So
Now, Mama,
we want to do a very little activity. You know what we call? You go like this.
you're gonna dance.
My
name. Say my name.
Are we ready, Mama?
Mama, let's
Okay,
dance.
let us do it.
Come in the middle.
Mama here. Okay, are we ready?
We're gonna go down.
1, 2, ready, go.
Say my name.
Or
Say my name. Say my name.
my name.
Thank you, Mama. Give me a hug.
Mama.
Oh,
you so much.
see you. God bless you, yeah?
Thank you so
God
much.
bless your business.
Guys, remember, always be nice to people.
Right.
You never can know who's gonna help you. Peace and love. Namaste. Oh. That was a blast.